Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to clap with one hand. Like this. Okay, so the technique, right, is you don't do this, right? You don't move with your fingers at all. Uh, your fingers stay relaxed, right? And you do a motion like kind of like this, right? So basically, how you do this motion, you do motion like this. Your fingers bump into here, right? So it makes like a sound, right? They stay relaxed, basically. So that's the technique, right? But what you need to know is that just make sure you only practice for a couple of seconds up to a few minutes, right? So you don't get like frustrated or anything. Also, the big thing about this is that you can learn it basically anywhere you want, right? And also we can like try to make it fun, right? Whenever you're not having fun learning this, just stop, because then you're more likely to quit if you're not having fun. So make sure that's the thing. And yeah, you can learn this pretty much anywhere. So you just like watch some videos while doing it. You can maybe listen to some songs while doing it. And or maybe you're like waiting for someone, or you're going somewhere. You can learn it while doing that. So yeah.